Only people who get it are the people who get it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Jay Get It. Today, we have a crucial topic to discuss: savings accounts versus brokerage accounts. Many people wonder which option is better for their hard-earned money, and in this video, we'll break down the differences to help you make the right financial choice. Let's start by understanding what each account type offers. A savings account is a bank account that allows you to deposit and store your money. It's a safe and secure option, and your funds are typically insured by the FDIC, providing a level of protection. Savings accounts are great for keeping your funds easily accessible and providing a place to build an emergency fund. They usually earn interest, although the rates might be lower compared to other investments. On the other hand, brokerage accounts offer a broader range of investment options, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. These accounts have the potential for higher returns, but they also come with increased risk due to market fluctuations. The decision between a savings account and a brokerage account depends on your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you have short-term goals or need quick access to your funds, a savings account might be the right choice. However, if you're planning for the long term and are willing to accept some risk, a brokerage account may provide the growth potential you're looking for. Another important factor to consider is your emergency fund. Having a savings account for emergencies is essential to avoid having to liquidate investments during downturns. Now, let's talk about taxes. Earnings from savings accounts are subject to income tax, while brokerage accounts may have different tax implications, depending on your investments. Diversification is key. A balanced approach is often recommended, where you maintain both a savings account for short-term needs and a brokerage account for long-term investments. To summarize, savings accounts offer security and accessibility, making them a suitable choice for short-term goals and emergencies. On the other hand, brokerage accounts provide opportunities for higher returns, but they come with increased risk and are better suited for long-term investing. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It's essential to assess your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Jay Get It for more financial insights, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. As always, stay informed, stay proactive, and keep striving for financial success. Thanks for watching.